వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన తృప్తాత్మ కూటస్థో విజితేంద్రియ. So we can understand that with the broader mind, for realizing knowledge is one should accept the higher authority. Without that one cannot realize anything. I am going to carry forward with that foundation how to develop our jnana into vijnana. In our society, jnana is plentifully available. Many books have been written philosophically. We got the best philosophy, Achincha Veda Tattva. Although it is Achincha, inconceivable, we are trying to explain it very nicely with numeric examples and so on. Our philosophy, we are proud that we offer postgraduate doctorate study to everybody. But when we comes to Vijnana, there is a shortage. There is considerable shortage to comes to Vijnana, realizing knowledge. So the consciousness of the soul is covered by 5 layers of ignorance. It is very hard to remove these layers of ignorance. Even a personality like King Rahugana, coming in the Vedic culture, he found himself attacked by ignorance. So these 5 layers of ignorance are, first of all, there is a forgetfulness of our relationship with Krishna, avidya, that is called avidya, or sometimes it is called Brahma. So that is the starting point. I forget my relationship with Krishna. Who am I? Who is Krishna? What is my real identity? Why am I suffering? What is my goal? About all this, I forget my relationship with Krishna. Then I get a body. That ignorance of my relationship with Krishna is called avidya. This is starting point. Then there is asmita, the second layer. One is operating now on the bodily conception of life. One is the forgetfulness of Krishna. Second is asmita, acting upon the false ego platform. Aham mama. Aham mama. This is Yashyatma buddhi kunapetu dhatuke sadhi kalatradisu bhauma ijjete ittirtha buddhi salilena karhichit janesu avidjesu sayeva gokara. These words indicates asmita position. All these symptoms are acting on the bodily platform. Asmita is the expansion of the false ego. I am getting a false ego because of that forgetfulness of Krishna, and then now expanding that false ego. Then the raga, dvesha, third and fourth. Although they are related, raga means attraction which are not related to Krishna. attachment or attraction, which are not related to Krishna. Dvesa means aversion to things which are related to Krishna. Fourth one, dvesa, dislike. Dislike the things which are related to Krishna. So these two layers, and the last one, from raga and dvesa comes abhinivesha. Abhinivesha is the total absorption in material concepts of life. Even though one may be quoting Shastra, even though one may be living in the ashram and so on, still is absorption in the bodily conception of life. So, you can see that the layers of avidya, they become stronger and stronger and stronger in each life. With each life that goes through on material conception of life, many layers of avidya. The conception of soul is completely blocked by these different layers, and it is impossible to get out from this without by the mercy of spiritual masters or spiritual masters' help. By the help of the spiritual master, we can get out of from this. Without the help of spiritual master, we cannot get out. This is the role of our bona fide Guru. Only he can wake up us from deeply situated sleep of ignorance. That's why Om Ajnana Timiram Dasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Only a bona fide Guru wake up us from the depth of ignorance. It is not possible to anybody. Another person speaks same philosophy to wake up because he does not have the potency, unless he is situated on the Vijnana platform. He will not be able to do. His speech would be another dream only. In the dream you can hear Dehinosmin yada dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tada dehantara praptihi dhirastatra namuhyati, like that. It just sounds like in a dream. So many scholars, they comment on Bhagavad Gita, but they did not wake up anybody because they were themselves in sleep. So here it is not a matter of knowing Sanskrit or English or any other language. It is a matter of transcendental knowledge being transmitted to the heart from the Guru to the disciple. Yashyadeve parabhakti yadadeve tada guru tasyaite kahita artha prakasante mahatmanaha. Very, very beautiful sloka from Svetasvara Upanishad. Yashyadeve parabhakti. As one has faith and attitude towards Krishna, devotion towards Krishna, surrender towards Krishna, that same faith, attitude, surrender, devotion, all those things to be towards to self-realized Guru. Then by the mercy of the self-realized Guru, this knowledge can be awakened within the heart. Realized knowledge is transmitted to the heart of the disciple from the heart of spiritual master. You cannot learn from books. Only realized knowledge is transmitted to the heart of the disciple from the heart of the bona fide spiritual master. I stop this episode here. I will continue next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण।